What's the meaning of cheat? Cheat. Cheat.
Cheat. Cheat. The word cheat refers to the act of deceiving or misleading someone by breaking the rules or acting dishonestly in order to gain an unfair advantage. Cheating can take many forms, such as cheating on a test by looking at the answers, cheating on a partner by being unfaithful, or cheating in a game by using prohibited methods to win. The result of cheating is often negative, including loss of trust, damaged relationships, and potential legal consequences. It is generally regarded as unethical behavior and can be harmful to both the cheater and those affected by their actions.